Hey guys, this is the first step that we're gonna do before we're cooking our chicken adobo. Alright, so I have here the chicken adobo, the fresh chicken adobo. Ito po yung ating fresh adobo, and then I'm gonna show you guys what ingredients that I'm putting on my chicken adobo. But we have to marinate our chicken. You can marinate for 30 minutes or 1 hour. It's up to you guys. So this is, I have here my ingredients. The first is I have my soy sauce. This is from this one. I use this one from the Philippines, but you can get this one here on the Asian store. On you today, if you can't find it, you can Google it. Asian store near me. Yan po. Pagkatapos ay, you have other option that you can get this one at Walmart. This kind of soy sauce. Here. Deal. Here. Okay. If you can't find this kind of soy sauce, please you get any other choice. And then, meron din akong, I have onions powder. I got garlic powder. And I have a ground black pepper, and always have on my kitchen. This is my all-purpose seasoning, nor is a chicken flavor. Always have in my kitchen. And also I have here the red wine vinegar. Yes. And you get other option. If you don't want to use that one, you can use apple cider vinegar. You can get this one on Walmart too. And I have here, I put my fresh lemon on the bottle. So I have here a mince ginger. Yeah, you can get this one at Walmart. And also we will need oil. You can use any kinds of oil on your chicken adobo. And then you need this one, bay leaves. You can get this one at Walmart. And also the peppercorn here. And now I'm gonna show you my we're gonna put first my soy sauce, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, like this. Yan, pasensya na kayo ha, kasi ako lang nag ng aking yan, you scatter the soy sauce on your chicken. Alright, see, you have to put right there. And the next one is we're gonna put a teaspoon of onions. Ilalagay natin yung ating onions. Yan. Yan, ibudbud lang natin like this. Then the next one is my garlic powder. Is a teaspoon of garlic powder. Yan po, ibudbud natin dyan. Yan. Yan. Now guys, if you don't really like garlic, I don't like garlic. It's up to you guys. It's how much you want to put garlic on your chicken adobo. But me is I love garlic. That's good for you. Then the next one is I'm gonna put the black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Yan, ganyan lang, 'di ba? Para babango naman yung inyong chicken adobo, at saka mawala yung lansa. And we're gonna put my all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Nilalagay ko na lang dyan sa marinated. I put already on my marinated chicken so that the taste will be soaked on the chicken. And next one is I'm gonna put my red wine vinegar. Yan po. This is 3 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Ito po yung aking sekreto ng aking chicken adobo. Yan po. So now, the chicken, your vinegar, you can use the apple cider vinegar. If you don't like the red wine, if you don't like the red wine vinegar, you can use the apple cider vinegar. Yan po. You can get this one at Walmart. And now, our next is, I'm gonna put lemon. 2 tablespoons of lemon. This fresh lemon. Lemon juice. Okay? We have to put like this. Okay. Okay. So, and next, we're gonna put our ginger. Minced ginger. Yeah. 1 tablespoon of ginger. Yan. Wala nang, ano ba yan? Mayroon pang natira. Hirap na. Ako yung gahawak ng camera. Ako din. Okay. I'll make sure that all the gingers is on my chicken. Okay. So, you can see that I didn't yet put my oil, my peppercorn, and the bay leaves. When the time that we're gonna ready to cook, I will show you how, what the time exactly that I'm gonna use those other ingredients. So now you have to mix your chicken. Yeah, mixing yan. Make sure you mix your chicken well with the ingredients like this. Yeah, I can smell it now. Oh my goodness. Yan. Okay. Now guys, the ingredients that I give you for how many, it is depends how much you gonna cook this kind of food. Yan po. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 pieces of chicken drumstick. Guess. So ayan po. Make sure you mix well all the ingredients to the chicken like this. Okay, like this. For sure you will love it, guys, for sure. And then after that, you mixing the ingredients to your chicken. You have to cover it in put on refrigerator for 30 minutes. Kailangan nyo ilagay sa ref. Hayaan nyo na lang ng 30 minutes or 1 hour. So me, I did 1 hour. So what I'm doing is I let my chicken marinated for all night, and the next day I cooking it. So stay tuned, keep watching, guys. So guys, nagpapainit ako ng ating pan. I'm heating up my pan, and I put some 2 tablespoons of organic olive oil. So, hantayan na lang natin siya na uminit. Okay? Then, saka natin iprito yung ating manok. So, ayan guys. I think my oil is already hot. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating chicken one by one. Ganon. Pero-prito natin yung ating chicken. Yeah, we're going to fry our chicken bago natin ganito ako magluto ng aking chicken adobo. Nagustuhan naman ng ibang tao. Kaya, yan. Yan. Put all of it. So guys, nakikita nyo to, it's empty. I have a juice from the marinated on the chicken. So, I suggest to keep that juice, and then later on, you're gonna mix that one to the chicken. Okay? So, for now, hayaan muna natin na mag-brown yung ating chicken. Just let the chicken turn into brown. Okay? And then, after that, we're gonna put the juice from the chicken. Alright? So, guys, we're gonna check our chicken. This is look like. So, ayan po. Make sure that you put your fire on medium. So, now I'm gonna tell you that optional lang. Pwede nyo lagyan, pwede din hindi. This is option. You can put that one or not. Or you can put onions or bell pepper. It's optional, guys. So, now I'm gonna put some of ginger. I'm gonna put here my ginger, minced ginger. Yan po. Lagyan ko siya ng minced ginger. And then, after that, I have here my 1 cup of Sprite. You're gonna pour your Sprite like this. Just leave it the Sprite. Just let the Sprite boiling. Hayaan na lang nakukulo yung ating Sprite. Tapos, lagyan natin ng black pepper na yung corn. Yan po. Pagkatapos ay lagyan natin ng tapos dahil lagyan natin ito bay leaves. Lagyan natin ng mga 4 pieces. Yan po. And then just let the chicken cook. I'm going to put some all-purpose seasoning. Yan, for 1 tablespoon. And then just let the water is going down. I mean, the Sprite going down. And takpan nyo uli. Check na lang natin mamaya, okay? Ngayon guys, tignan natin yung chicken natin. Check our chicken. Now, I have a little explanation here. Now, kung gusto nyo yung chicken nyo masabaw, tama na yan. Gusto nyo yung chicken nyo na masabaw, ganyan lang. Tama lang yan. Ngayon, tikman ko yung chicken ko. Yung sabaw ng chicken ko, I'm gonna try my the juice from the chicken, if the taste is okay. Tastes good na, but it's a little bit salted. So you have an option. You can put brown sugar. Just only a dash, I guess. Depende sa inyo kung yan po, ganun karami yung sugar. Lagay nyo dyan. Putbol nyo dyan para yung alat mawala. So that the salted juice is go away. That's the secret right there. Yan po. Ang ganda ng tingnan ng chicken ko. Sarap na guys. It looks yummy. I'm gonna show you closely. Guys, yan. Chicken adobo. Super yummy. Ayan guys. Gusto ko na may juice yung aking chicken. This is my finished product. Guys, thank you for watching this video. And sana meron kayong matutunan. And guys, if you wanna put some bell pepper, onions, you can do that too. It's up to you. But me, I just put this one. So, thank you for watching. This is ready for serve. Can't wait. I'm hungry now. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, share and like my video and subscribe. God bless us. Bye.